Good morning, everybody. Bad Weather Freak here. It is July 7th, 2021. And what you're seeing around, I'm doing driving around town, heading for my job. And I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what happened as far as the effects of Tropical Storm Elsa. As you can see, a bit cloudy, light rain, almost a sprinkle right now. Not much winds. We have a couple times overnight that the winds did pick up a bit. More than anything, not consistent wind, but more than anything, gusts that did happen. We had a couple times, especially overnight, probably about 1 o'clock in the morning, and early this morning. I think it was roughly about 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. We had some pretty decent amount of gusts come through, but nothing major. More than anything, just light gusts, and the rain did come down a bit. Not a torrential downpour, but definitely a steady rain. But other than that, I mean, if by driving around, I can see a little bit of leaves on the floor, some dry branches on the floor, but again, nothing major. Basically, same thing as what happened last year with Tropical Storm Ada. Tropical Storm Ada went through here, I want to say it was November. Well, kind of like a similar track. It didn't really come into Florida and into the peninsula itself. It just skirted the coast, the west coast, just like basically what the current Tropical Storm Elsa is doing. But as you can see, not much effects from it. I know some other parts closer to the coast. See, I'm located in Lake County, Florida. We're Lake County, but I'm also like inland, like dead center in the state. So that's why we didn't see really bad effects from Elsa. Now, the further west you go, the more impacts they have, or they had about with the storm. Right now, Elsa is looking. If you look at the satellite imagery, the radar, you can see that Elsa is trying to intensify again. It's having another burst of energy, and is heading for the Big Bend area and the Florida Panhandle. So that area is going to get definitely a stronger system than what we had here, in at least in my area. But if you go south, like Tampa, Clearwater, Sarasota, I mean, they did get quite a bit more of impacts that we did here. But as you can see, light rain here in Florida, in my area, Central Lake County, Central Florida. Other than that, those are the effects from Tropical Storm Elsa here in Lake County, Central Florida. Other than that, you guys stay safe. If you are in an area where you have been impacted worse than I did, hope you stay safe and that you recoup soon. And if you have not been impacted yet and Elsa is going your way, stay safe. Keep an eye on the weather radios. See, my weather radio went off last night twice. One for a tornado watch, and then for a tornado warning. Thankfully, nothing happened. But you never know. And that's the thing with these tropical systems. They don't have to be a strong hurricane to basically spin up some tornadoes, some isolated tornadoes. That's something that happens frequently with any hurricane or tropical storms in Florida. You will get some tornadoes somewhere in this state. Now, some storms do produce quite a bit more tornadoes than others, and then some are just a handful of tornadoes. So it really depends. It really depends on the system. But other than that, you guys stay safe. Have a good day. Anything changes, any new progress, I will keep you guys posted as usual. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel so you can keep getting more content like this one. And remember, this is just the beginning of the season. This is just the very beginning of the season, and we're expecting a busy tropical season. So I wouldn't be surprised if we not surprised. I know we're gonna get more activity. This is just the beginning, unfortunately. But hey, the good thing about it is nothing major happened, and that the storm supplies that you already have and your preparation plan that you have, your preparations that you have done, are going to be useful for the rest of the season. I mean, remember, this is just the beginning of July. To give you perspective, 2004 was a record-breaking season, especially here for Florida. And the very first storm formed in, I believe it was July 31st. So by now, this year so far, we already have had 5 storms. So Elsa will be the 5th storm. So we are way ahead of schedule compared to 2004. That was a record-breaking season. Now, in 2004, we got 3 hurricanes back-to-back in Florida. I mean, every 2 weeks it was a hurricane. So I'm not saying we're going to have something similar like that, but the possibility is always there. So that's something that you got to be prepared. We're just at the beginning of the season. But that's why I keep saying, whatever plans you already have done, whatever supplies you have, are going to be good for the rest of the season. So, well, anyways, other than that, I don't want to make this video too long, but have a good day, stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.